In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use USPS Package Pickup online. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, head over to the official website of USPS, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now, click on three bars given at the top left. Click on this drop down for quick tools. Here you're going to find different options. Click on the option schedule a pickup. You'll be taken to package pickup page. If you are scheduling a pickup for the first time, choose the option to create a new pickup. If you have already scheduled one and want to make changes, select the option to manage an existing pickup. Next, enter your pickup information including your name, street address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and email address. After entering your details, click or tap check availability or check eligibility to confirm that package pickup service is available in your address. If your address is eligible, continue by selecting the location where you will leave your package, such as front porch, mailbox, front door, back door, or another available pickup location. Make sure the location is safe and easy for your USPS carrier to access. After that, enter your shipment details, including the number of packages you are sending, the total estimated weight, and any additional information requested. Then choose your preferred pickup date from the available schedule. Before submitting your request, review all the information you have entered to make sure it's accurate. Once everything looks correct, click or tap schedule pickup or submit. You will receive a confirmation that your pickup request has been successfully scheduled. On the scheduled pickup day, simply place your package at the location you selected before your regular mail delivery or by the time indicated in your confirmation. Your USPS carrier will collect your eligible packages during the scheduled pickup, and that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.